Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install VLC Media Player on your Mac. Let's get started and walk through the process step by step. To begin, open your favorite browser. I'll be using Brave for this tutorial, but you can also use Safari or any other browser of your choice. In the search bar, type VLC Media Player and hit enter. The first link that appears should be from videolan.org. This is the official website for VLC Media Player. Click on the link to open the VLC website. When you land on the VLC website, you'll see the Download VLC button prominently displayed on the page. The website automatically detects that you're using a Mac, so there's no need to select your operating system manually. Click the Download VLC button to start downloading the installation file. The download will begin, and you'll see the VLC Media Player.dmg file being downloaded. This file is approximately 46.8 megabytes, so it should only take a moment to download depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, click on the .dmg file to open it. Let's minimize the browser so we can focus on the installation. When the file opens, you'll see a window with instructions to drag the VLC icon into the Applications folder. Simply drag the VLC icon and drop it into the Applications folder. This step copies VLC Media Player into your Applications directory. You'll see a progress bar as the files are copied. Once finished, close the pop-up and eject the installer file. Now you'll find the VLC Media Player icon in your Launchpad. Click on the Launchpad icon in your dock, and you'll see VLC listed among your applications. Alternatively, you can also locate VLC Media Player using Finder. Open Finder, select Applications in the sidebar, and look for the VLC icon there. Now let's launch VLC Media Player. Click on the VLC icon in the Launchpad to open it. If you see a prompt saying that VLC Player is an application downloaded from the internet, simply click Open to proceed. The first time you launch VLC, you may see a prompt asking if you want to check for album art and metadata. You can choose No Thanks if you don't want to enable this feature. Once you've done that, VLC Media Player is ready to use. To open a media file, you can either click on Open Media in the VLC interface or drag and drop a file directly into VLC. For example, let me open Finder and drag a video file from my Documents folder into VLC. You'll see that the video is added to the playlist and starts playing immediately. If you'd like to open a file directly from its location, you can use another method. Find the file in Finder, press and hold the Control key, click on the file, and select Open With from the menu. Then choose VLC Media Player to open the file, and that's it. You've successfully downloaded, installed, and started using VLC Media Player on your Mac. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.